So your afternoon, guys. Welcome to KNL once again on the TV screens. Here it's the introduction that I promised you guys. Hope you guys are doing well. So here's the project that me and Kai is currently busy with. This is a 1.6 Life 1997 model, if I'm not mistaken. But with time, I'll correct if I was wrong. Here we go. 2K white. As you can see, the car has some dents and some stuff and a rust going on here. But with time, we'll fixing up this door mirrors as well. Got the Webasto large tilt and slide sunroof. And MP200 steel is in front and at the back. Guys can see in front I got 165 40s 50s one. And at the back I got 50s. To tell you guys, actually the 40s don't drive as well in our local areas here where we stay with the potholes and stuff. The 45s isn't a bad choice if you ask me. If I we'll see where this journey takes us, but I would like to have it again right around 45s. And here's the inside. I'll have a car talk with you guys while I'm inside the car. And yes, I do have a cup of coffee again. Caffeine, it's very important. So here's the driver's side of the car. As you can see, the steel is still silver. I just got it recently, so hopefully in the next video you guys will see that it's painted. There's some minor marks as well here. The bonnet, the reason why the bonnet is looking like this bonnet flew over my car. One day, not my car, our car, but yeah, I managed to got the new bonnet. But now I need some welding to do. That I'll show you guys in the next video, hopefully, when we get the up and starting. The reason why I'm not showing the back of the car is you guys will see on Instagram that there will be something for you guys. I believe if you can help others, why not? One door closes, another one opens, but I'll show you guys inside of the car now. Wait, so while I'm at it, I quickly put my coffee down on a brick so that I can show you the daily life of a Mark 1. Or as you guys know, there's no people. You see me inside. And my door handle on the other side is broken because some beaters tried to break into my car and broke my handle, but okay, such is life. What is life without the life, eh? And the reason why the door was making that noise is, as you can see, it's busy tearing out. So hopefully in near future we'll be able to weld that up and line the door up and things like that. There's the door panels. Later work will be done on the door panels, and here's the speakers. Speakers names will be saying as we go along. So excuse the car, it's a bit dirty. Guys, see the shortened gear lever. I'll explain why in the car talk in a few minutes. Here you go. Stock standard dashboard, and don't forget thumb 6. As you can see, the under tray of the dashboard has been removed due to previous problems with the relays, as you guys seen in the previous video. Unfortunately, she doesn't start yet. Here's the sunroof. We don't want to give it pronouns. I don't have a name. Me and Kai doesn't have a name for this project yet. But guys, with the sheer determination to never give up, anything is possible. And we are to show you guys with the help of the Lord that anything is possible if you put your mind to. There you can see some worksheets. We had a plan in mind what we would have done with the seats, but unfortunately it didn't come. So on to the next plan. So guys, there's under tray of the dashboard that will all be put up together again, and so you guys, I'll take the petrol bottle in your car. Coffee Mark 1 pump, obviously, because I had previous sponsors. This is manual, so power was needed. En die knopkie as ek jou kry het in die pad en die vat my vir 'n gat. But yeah, so my cup of last time, okay. I'll take that in when I'm done in the brush for future use purposes. There you go. So yeah. So welcome to the car talk. Car Talk with X will be here to explain everything about the car, introducing as I promised. Now no name, but we'll find a name as we go along the way. So this is a 1997 City Life 1.6 Volkswagen as claimed on the papers, but as believed of seeing this car was raced in Pretoria before. So there's a certain lever as I showed you guys, so some work was being done on this car. And if you guys were wondering why I'm sitting passenger side of our project, is because for now I'll be the passenger and the destination is where I'm supposed to go and we are supposed to go as a channel and as a community. So this channel is only for those who are chosen to see. So right, here we go. I just wanna quickly put my cup of coffee down so that I can continue. So our project was standing for 3 years. First problem that arose that the bonnet went over the car, so the car couldn't draw. So we were struggling to get hold of a bonnet because financially we weren't able to at the time. As time progressed, we found the bonnet. My Kay and my father, that you guys will see later on the videos, went to pick up the bonnet, and the process of this car starting again started. As the bonnet was fitted, as the time period the car was standing, the car didn't want to start. Seems like this problem of the coil that's losing spark started, but we didn't realize. But okay, led to, as I'm going to say. So I decided, no man, let's take off the head. Me and my mechanic will be here soon. Hopefully in the next video we'll be here so that we can start our project that we have here. This is a canvas, people. Not the canvas that the Mona Lisa was painted on, but this is a canvas that we, KNL worldwide, are painting for legacies to come. And this channel is only for those who's chosen to see, because this is a channel for anything and everything. The sheer determination to never quit. So we'll see what happens. With the guidance of the Lord, anything is possible. So yeah, let me not stray off the point. So me and mechanic decided to take the head off. As we took the head off of the Golf, we saw that cylinder 2, the piston, the rings, home the block. It made like a ridge in the block. So I'm not the expert, so I believe under my understanding is that due to that happening, the oil came past and went into places it wasn't supposed to be. So okay. So the journey started. My bad, I couldn't record it. I never knew this is going to happen, but I'm glad this is happening because this is a passion that I have. Not only building this car, but the passion of building what we are busy building. But yeah, so took the head off, took the pistons, bottom crank, pistons, ring. So this journey started where I decided I'm going to build the whole motor. New bearings, new rings, new piston heads due to, because then now the block needed machinery. And the block was cut before. So it's 40,000 now. Pistons is bigger in a 1.6 block, I assume. That means bigger boreholes, more. But okay, I don't know. I'm learning as we go. But yeah, as you guys know that even though this is a Mark 1 and prices is reasonably fair, can't lie. It's difficult to raise the funds if you have different responsibilities. But with that said, I managed to get all the parts needed. But as the parts came, it wasn't like this month, this month. No, it was this month, this few months later that. So started. Okay, so eventually got everything, pistons, alles. Mechanic came. I didn't record it, but that will be the last time that such process won't be recorded. So we put everything together. Just as you come by the bearings, we find out that the bearings on the crank was already been cut. The big items was 0.5, I'm not sure, and the one was 1. So I don't know when it was 10,000 or 20,000 in that terms, but that's what I know. So we bought King bearings, special bearings for Audi ABB CR 1404. King bearings, as I've been told, this bearings is specifically, or not specifically, but most used by when you are revving your car high. So I bought this by Master Parts. Now finding out that this bearings isn't the bearings what we needed. There will be a different video about this bearings. Not a video, a reel on Instagram. If you guys are willing to see it, I'm blessing someone with this because if I believe if one door closes, another one open. But that story of the bearings will be told there. So this morning I went back to Volkswagen. Not gonna mention what Goldwagon, but I went there, so I went with the receipt and I tried to exchange this because why? Every little helps. All of us didn't know me. But ja, ek het se help kry nou in die dag van die money. Came there with a receipt and alles, but so they told me no, the system doesn't allow this because this bearings was bought over their policy. Like they have a policy of 30 days and 25. I didn't still really take note of it, but I felt that that wasn't. I would understand if this bearings was fitted onto a crank that it's not supposed to be, but it wasn't. And if it was an electronic thing, we could have a different discussion about it. But okay, that video will be on Instagram. The Instagram handle will be somewhere, everywhere, slogan. But yeah, now we put the car together, and guys, it's another the journey of we all this began is in the previous video. Please, if you guys would like to go take a look, I know we're learning as we go at this channel. This is the everything and anything channel, anywhere and everywhere, KNL worldwide. But yeah, so we went to go buy the relay last week. Me and my cousin, me and Kai. Yes, Kai is my cousin. We are brothers. Yeah. Now, hopefully in the near future, the car will be starting and I will record it and you guys will be part of the journey to see where this is going because guys, I really have a different type of vision that I have with this car. Oh, my coffee. Oh, on my seats. On my mat, excuse me, but okay, I'll clean it up. Because the car does need some cleaning. So I was planning in the next video paint the rim and clean the seats while the mechanic can handle when he will be able to come. I will have good faith that he will be here so you guys can also meet him. Good guy though. But until then, I'm out.